Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are back at Lake Hodges. This is the first trip out here ever since they reopened, and I haven't been on the water at Hodges since. So first kind of impressions, the water is a little stained right now. Little stained. But Dustin was out here yesterday. He was actually able to get on some good ones. So hopefully they're actually starting to push up shallow, and I could throw out the top water again, which is something that I've actually missed quite a bit. So, all right guys, we'll go ahead and we'll make our way to our first spot and we'll go from there. So see you guys at the first spot. All right, let's go ahead and get it started. So let's see, throw out the good old top water and hopefully we actually get a blow up or something. Let's see, first cast back at Hodges. Alright, let's actually tie on the whopper plopper. Let's see what we can get with that. Alright, let's see what the plopper can give us. Okay, so it's actually raining. Oh wow, there's definitely fish underneath us. But before it gets too bad with this rain, so that I could be seen. My yellow, orange, super bright orange raincoat. Here we go, guys. Nice and somewhat waterproof, I guess. I wasn't expecting rain, to be honest. That's crazy because you see blue skies right here, but it's still raining. Well, rain jacket's gonna come in clutch sometime today, so keep that like that. Keep the seat dry. What's up, dude? Nice, dude. Well, I mean, it looks a lot better than the bathtub, that's for sure. For sure. Dude, the draft's a lot better. Oh, not my paddle. Not again. Not again. Dude, this paddle like freaking loses itself all the time. You need to get one of those. You need to get a tether is what I need. Hair scrunchie, bro. Hair scrunchie. Yeah. All right, guys. So John here with Mr. Gary. We're gonna make a run to the other side of the lake. So we'll see you guys there. This is why we're stopping. Holy crap. Dude, spaghetti. Spaghetti? Yep. Right below me, dude. What kind of spaghetti? Like the good kind of spaghetti. I don't know, dude. There was some carp right there. There's freaking little mouths right at the surface of the water. I saw it right here. So I'm pretty, maybe they are carp, dude. Damn it. Holy moly, dude, that's pretty hell out of me. Yeah, you see all those mouths right there? Right there. Oh, dude, look how many are there. Yeah, dude, look at all that. That's a bunch of carp right there. All right, man. I'll see you over there. I haven't caught anything all yet, dude. All right, guys, so stopped off at a little spot here. I just wanted to stop and retie some things, so definitely wanted to kind of switch it up a little bit today. It is springtime, so I definitely want to go towards the crawfish kind of type color. So this is a Berkley Money Badger 4. This is a tiny little bait, but it's very flamboyant, and it dives down to 7 feet, surprisingly. Because it's so light, I didn't realize that this bait was going to be that small. Might actually have to pull up next to the pull up closer to the shore so that I could fish this more effectively. There's a fish. Oh my gosh. Oh, I don't know what that is. Oh, that's a carp. Oh my gosh, that's a huge crappie. Holy crap. Oh, look at that. Huge crappie. Holy moly. Wow, that's an interesting way to catch him. I snagged him. Holy crap, guys, that is a massive crappie. Wow. I actually think I might keep this guy. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep him. See if I could grab any more crappie, but holy crap, that was a big dude. Big old crappie. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and spot lock real quick, because I need to put on my rain jacket again. Get this guy on before it gets too crazy out here. Oh yeah, there it goes. Look at that, getting all crazy already. There's a fish right there. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a good one. That's a decent one. All right. Nice one. Yeah, there's number one on the Money Badger. And he's a pretty decent one. Yeah, like a 2-pounder maybe. Yeah. 15.25 inch fish. Not a bad one. Let's see if we could pick any more off that spot. Thank you, sir. There we are. Alright, so that was number one off of the Money Badger. And he hit it like right, I would say almost right when I casted, so maybe there's more inside that spot. There's another one. Oh, that's a better one. I think that's gonna be a better one. Oh, barely hooked, barely hooked, barely hooked, barely hooked. There he is. There he is, another one. Barely hooked. Nice. Alright guys, that's number two, and look how I had him hooked. barely on the outside. I mean, I had 2 hooks on him, so it was okay. These are warm fish. Temp is let's see, 60-degree water temps. Wow, actually really good. Yeah, 15-inch fish, not bad. All right, guys, that's number 2. There he is. All right. All right, guys. So that was number 2 off of the Money Badger. And this is the blazer or blaze color. Not bad. So I think might have actually established a pattern now, because that was number 2 and this was in the same kind of spot. So maybe we'll just milk this place out a little bit for a little bit longer. Another fish. Small guy. Small guy, but choked it. Okay, don't do that. Sort of choked it. He had it choked. Little 8-incher, a little hot dog. All right, well, that was number 3 off of this same kind of area. So I don't know, I think I might have to stick around here for a little bit longer. So I was able to pick up 3 out of this one spot, which is nice. We're at about 12 feet of water over here at this spot. So 12 feet of water, bigger chunk rock. Not really that small stuff that we're about to get into right now, but that bigger chunk rock. So we'll see if maybe that is a pattern that they are see if that's a pattern that they're relating to. Bigger chunk rock at about 12 feet. There's one. Oh, that's a good one. Holy crap. Thought that was a good one. It's a decent one. All right. Alrighty. Let's see. Barely got him hooked. Nice little. I'm gonna measure out. I think maybe like a 13 or so. See where he's at. Can I make him reach 15 1/4? 15 1/4. Man, these guys are all like clones. I've been getting nothing but 15s today. I'm not gonna complain, but where the 20s at? All right, baby. See you. Thank you. Oh, thank you for the dance. Okay, so that was number 3 on the Money Badger. So I think definitely have ourselves a pattern. And same thing with that one. I mean, that one was like on a bigger stretch of chunk rock, but not like the big ones. But no, we definitely have a pattern now. I think they're focusing on crawfish patterns now, and I think with how dirty the water is right now, this blaze color, because it's so flamboyant and so bright, it's helping them, I think, key in on this bait specifically. Yeah, now it's starting to get windy. So let's see what the deeper diving crawfish pattern would be. Now this one is more, definitely a lot more more natural colored crawfish. It's like a darker brown red, darker red, with like a yellow, or sorry, with a orange belly. So I mean, you still have that little bit of, you know, high vis color, but definitely more of the natural crawfish color. And this is basically all speculation, obviously, but it's something about that. Maybe it's that smaller profile as well as the visibility of the bait, but I haven't actually gotten anything off of this guy yet. So who knows, maybe it's not even, it might not even be a crawfish kind of thing. It could very well be a visibility thing. You get on any good ones? Nice. There you go. Is that your only one?
Yeah, dude, I've been working hard, dude.
It's alright, man. Grind it out, bro. I've already caught 4. Yeah. Yeah.
How'd you catch them?
Cranking?
Huh?
Cranking?
Really?
Yeah.
Just in the shallow?
Yeah. Same thing I normally do, dude. Except for the only thing that's different is I'm using like this bright orange crankbait. They're feeding up on crawfish, so if you have any crawfish pattern stuff, you should tie that on.
Not crank. I can tell they're digging with their lips.
Yeah.
I can see red.
Yay! Almost freaking fell out the boat. Gosh, damn it. All right. Here we go. I think this is number 4, number 5. Let's go. All right, y'all. I think this is number 4. There we go. Nice solid fish. Yep, finally got a 16. All right. Maybe about a 2.5 pounder. Huh? Oh, you're the official fish keeper? It's probably like a 2.5 pounder.
Dude, I just caught that one, bro. that's mine.
2 1/4.
2 1/4?
Yeah, 2.26. All right, thank you, sir. Ah, it's raining again. Ah, dang it. Ah, man. There's another one. Oh, that's a pretty good one. This is a pretty decent sized one. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my gosh, that's a nice one too. That is a good one. I think this is the big one of the day. All right, guys. Alright, so I think this is number 5. Not a bad one. This is definitely the big one of the day so far, at least. These are the ones that we're trying to look for right here. 17 1/4. Nice. All right. Thank you, girl. Or sir, who knows? Alrighty. All right, that was our limit. It's a pretty decent one. Pretty decent one too. Same kind of pattern off this little Blaze Berkley Money Badger. There's one. There we go. Oh, he's a hot fish. Hot fish, hot fish. Alright. There is another one. It's number 6. Nice little chunk. Let's see where he measures up at. 14 1/2. Alright, let's get him back inside the water. Thank you, sir. Alright guys, so that was number 5, and again, this is just the Berkley Money Badger, and this is the Money Badger 4, so one of the smaller ones, and this one dives down to about 7 feet. This is in the Blaze color. And what my assumption is with why this bait is so successful right now is, for one, I think the fish are focusing on crawdads, and then with the clarity of this water, that very flamboyant, you know, really bright orange definitely sets it apart and helps the fish target this bait a little bit easier. That's what I think, at least. But that was number 5 off of this bait, so getting a ton of confidence in this bait right now. Throw this guy back out. There you go. First cast on that guy. Holy crap. First cast on that guy. It's definitely a pattern for sure. Okay. Alright guys. Alrighty. Came straight out. This is probably the smallest one out of all the ones that we caught today actually. He's not that heavy or anything. He's a pretty long one though. Let's see where he's at. Can we turn? No, 15 3/4. Alright, another 15 3/4. Nice. Thank you, sir. That's a fish. That's a fish. That's a good one. Feels pretty heavy. There we go. Oh yeah, that's a heavy fish. Holy moly. Yeah, that's a big fish right there. That is the one we are looking for. Alright, after an hour of not getting bit, this guy wants to come out and play. Oh yeah, that's a big fish. That's a good sized fish. Let's see. I think this is like a 3.5 pounder maybe. Okay, 17.5. Not bad, I'll still take it. Alright, see how much he weighs. .95. And again. .95. All right. So 17.5 inch, 2.95 inch, or 2.59 pound fish on that honey badger again, or that money badger again. Oh man, that fish was right where it should have been. This little corner right here, just waiting at this little point. There's a fish right there. Freaking finally. Holy moly. There we go. All right. So definitely getting a ton of confidence in this bait for sure, to say the least. Another decent sized fish. 15 3/4. Thanks, sir. All right, off that money badger once again. So basically got them in this one spot here. I think a lot of them are 15s today, and we only got that one decent one that was a 17, but other than that we've had quite a bit of 15s. I think the majority of them were 15s actually. Finally a bite after about an hour and a half maybe. So good amount of time of no action before we hooked up on that one. Uh oh, is that Chris?
Yeah.
The bee shaman.
Oh yeah.
How's it going, man?
Oh, I've never lost so many fish in one day.
Really?
Yeah. I just got one that was 4.87.
Ooh, nice. There you
I
go.
lost one that was between 6 and 8.
Dang, there you go.
How about you?
I'm getting quantity, not as much quality, but quantity for sure.
Yeah.
I think I've gotten like 7 today.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah. Well,
And
oh.
you're doing a crank?
Yeah. This little guy right here.
Nice. Right up against the shore?
Yeah. Yeah, they're pushing out shallower, but
Yeah, everything I've gotten has basically been right up against the shore.
mm-hmm. Well, ladies and gentlemen, Chris Brandt, the bee shaman.
Cheers, guys.
What's today's beer looking like?
I've got Lost Dabby, everything.
Oh, there you go. Nice,
So,
man.
Enjoying that and just trying to keep fish on the line. I've lost probably 10. This has been ridiculous. I've never in my life lost this many fish in one day.
Yeah. It's one of those days.
You know what? At least I'm hooking up.
Yeah, you're on the water, you're hooking up, so.
Right?
All right, sir, you have a good one.
Yeah, you as well. Cheers.
Cheers. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for joining me on my adventures on the water. Today was actually a really good day. I think we finished out at about 7 or 8, 7 keepers, and then that one little dink. And to kind of take home a nice little slab of a crappie here. I'm gonna go ahead and cook that guy up today. But yeah, so that is gonna be it for today's video. Really productive day. We got them all on the Berkley Money Badger 4. Now that was in the blaze color, so definitely keying in on crayfish, and I think that really bright orange definitely sets the bait apart to also the actual dinginess of the water here. But yeah, so that's actually gonna be it for today's video, guys. As always, thank you guys for liking, subscribing, joining me for my adventures on the water. I'll see you guys in the next one.